This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Brittany Pruitt. Experience the epitome of tranquility in this stunning 4-bed, 3-bath 2018 double-wide mobile home nestled on 24.35 acres. Step into a world of luxury with a vast open floor plan, a chef's dream kitchen boasting custom cabinetry, and inviting vaulted ceilings. Retreat to the large master suite featuring a walk-in closet and enjoy sweeping mountain views. Nature lovers will appreciate the serene pond stocked with catfish and the tranquil creek on both sides of the property. The property also boasts a new 30 by 50 shop with concrete floors and a heated/cooled office, 2 carports, a spacious deck for entertainment, an inviting above-ground pool, a variety of fruit trees, and more. Don't miss the chance to call this unique property yours. Schedule your appointment now before it's too late. For more information.